So what we can do is you can experiment by starting your day or any important act with a prayer, because prayer brings in humility, and you can invoke the energy of Ganesha for that. So this is one small thing. Second, earth element by nature is gross and tamas, heavy, right? It's heavy element. So when you see the vata, pitta and kapha and sattva, rajas and tamas, the gunas and the doshas, the gunas, when it manifests in the humor as the in the body, is considered as the dosha, a combination of that. Correct. So what's the predominant nature of tamas? It's lethargy, laziness, heaviness. So what we do, you need to do the opposite of it. So what in the tradition we do, you get up much soon than other days during this day. So as a day, your lifestyle itself, if you are able to wake up at least 48 minutes, one muhurta before sunrise, you will see a humongous difference in your life, in your outlook and everything. That is the time when the meditation of Ganesha is also very effective. At least 48 minutes before your sunrise of the day, whichever place you are living. Then adepts go to 2 times that 48. Okay, so it is up to you. 3 times also you can go. When you go 3 times, it becomes 3 o'clock and 36 minutes. If you keep 6 o'clock as the waking up time. So many of the saints have been advocating this time to wake up, right? It is because 3 times 48 is 2 hours and 24 minutes. So your day technically could start at 3 o'clock and 36 minutes if your sunrise is at 6. And this is the time, anytime in this 2 hours 24 minutes, your work with yourself will become extraordinarily good if you invoke the energies of Ganesha. So in this, what you do, you are able to mold yourself the way you want your life to be, like how earth and water is molded. Please understand this concept. So what you can do, I'm sure many of you may be early risers. For 28 days straight, you try getting up before sunrise. This is one homework which you can do. 28 days straight. No Saturday, Sunday. I personally don't believe in this Saturday, Sunday concept. When you have a break, need a break, you take a break. Okay. Breathing, sunrise, our breakfast, lunch, dinner, brushing the teeth, we don't take any break, right? So this is a mental block actually what we have. If you need to overcome that, you need to do something which you have not done. So today, what you can take, if you are interested, you take a vow that next 28 days, let me be enabled to be getting up at least 48 minutes before sunrise. Because when you come to these sessions, I should be giving you tangible takeaways. And you are free to question me on the 29th day. Mostly you will not question because you would have seen the result.